Good day, everyone. For this presentation, I would like to share one of the family traditions that I consider a precious keepsake, our family's way of cooking laswa. Laswa is a simple Filipino vegetable soup that is healthy, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Growing up, this dish was always present on our dining table. Whenever fresh vegetables were available, my family would cook laswa and enjoy it together. As a child, I didn't realize that cooking this dish was more than preparing food. It was a tradition that being passed down from one generation to another. Through the years, I learned the recipe from my family, and today I would like to share not only the process of cooking it, but also the memories and the values that comes with it. One of my favorite memories is watching my family prepare vegetables together in the kitchen. While cooking, stories were shared, laughter filled the room, and everyone helped in their own way. Laswa reminds me of the importance of living a healthy lifestyle and appreciating simple meals made with love. It also teaches me the value of family bonding because cooking was never only about the food. It was about spending time together and learning from one another. What makes our laswa unique is a special technique passed down to us. Aside from vegetables, we add rolled lemongrass to the soup. The lemongrass gives the dish a fresh aroma and a flavor that makes us special for us. Whenever I smell it while cooking, it immediately reminds me of home and family gatherings. First, boil water in a pot. Once the water starts boiling, add the sliced onions. Allow them to cook for a few minutes until the flavor is released into the broth. But wash it first. Next, add the kalabasa or squash. Let it cook until it becomes slightly tender. Close it. Then add salt according to the taste. Wash the string beans. Wash the okra. After that, add the string beans and okra. Allow them to cook while keeping their natural texture. Wash thoroughly the Malabar spinach, malunggay leaves, and jute leaves. Then, add the rolled lemongrass, which is the special ingredient passed down by my family. Finally, add the Malabar spinach, malunggay leaves, and jute leaves. Let everything simmer for a few more minutes until the vegetables are cooked. Once done, turn off the heat and serve while warm. Laswa is more than a vegetable soup. It is a symbol of our family's care for one another, our appreciation for healthy living, and our connection to our family culture. This recipe is a pamana that I am proud to keep, cherish, and pass on in the future.